This is Peter's family. Peter has a little sister, very loving parents, and wonderful paternal grandparents. So there are 3 generations staying under the same roof. Now, not only human beings, but also animals like dogs, cats, or elephants stay in a family. So, the previous generation forms the successive generation. Like generation 1 produces generation 2, generation 2 reproduces generation 3. So this process of formation of newer generations to maintain the continuity of a species is known as reproduction. Now, in Peter's family, his grandmother and grandfather together produced his father. His father grew up from a little baby to a young man and got married to his mother. Now, Peter's mother and father came together to produce Peter and his sister. Now, notice at every reproduction, a male and a female needs to come together to produce the next generation. So, male and the female comes together to facilitate reproduction. So, since both the sexes are required or both the genders are required, this form of reproduction is known as the sexual reproduction. Now, what about the microorganism bacteria? Bacteria can reproduce 72 times in one day. If you take one bacteria, then at the end of the day, the one bacteria will produce these many bacteria. How is that possible? Well, this is possible because bacteria does not take up that maturation time which human beings do. Human beings need to grow up, reach the matured age at which reproduction can take place. But this maturity is not present in bacteria. Bacteria can just divide one cell to form 2 new cells. So see, one cell divides to form 2, 2 divides to form 4, and in this type of reproduction, no 2 sexes are required, and hence it is known as asexual reproduction. Now, this type of generation of cells is also present in human beings. But this cell division causes growth in the body. This cell division does not form a new life. See, a small baby grows up into a toddler, cells divide, the number of cells increase in the body, and the toddler grows up into a teenager, and finally into an adult with a lot of cells in the body. So for reproduction, a female reproductive cell and a male reproductive cell needs to come together, fuse, and this fusion will facilitate the formation of the next generation. So this process of fusion of the male reproductive cell with the female reproductive cell is known as fertilization. And fertilization facilitates the formation of a baby. Now, this is what you looked like when you were in your mother's womb and you were just 26 days old. Now, slowly, as you reached 44 days, your eyes developed, the different parts of your body became more distinct. See, the hands, the legs, the head are all distinct. Now finally, when a fetus reaches 56 days, then the fetus takes the appearance of a baby.